Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G53. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can choose not now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send on Motorola. Also on Motorola, pick Yes I agree or No thanks to set up the best option for your ads. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. On it, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above, and then select Send next to Selected. This way, you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so for example, I will show you how to pick just some of your files by clicking on the chosen ones. Now you can click on Send as well. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Then allow camera access by choosing while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. If you want to enter this key though instead, tap on Input key section under Enter the key. Now type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. So now when I click on it, as you can see, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!